Hey guys, what's going on? Brett here for another math question. So today we're going to be looking at multiplying, and we're going to be looking specifically at larger number multiplication. Now we've been asked to evaluate 829 times 531. So we're going to do it pretty simple and pretty easily. We're going to draw some boxes, and we're going to draw boxes for each specific digit that we have in each of our numbers. So if we see here, we've got a box for 8 to 829 is split into 8, 2, and 9. So we've got a box for 8, a box for 2, and a box for 9. Then we look at our second three-digit number. It's 531, so we've got a box going down for 5, 3, and 1. Next, we've got my favourite, but it is the trickiest part and the hardest part of this entire process, is drawing the diagonal lines. When you draw these, make sure that you use a ruler and you go from corner to corner of each individual box. If you don't do that, you could go a little bit wrong and it'll mess up your entire answer. So don't do that. Here I've drawn them and it looks super complicated now, but I promise you it's not. And we're ready for step 3, which is mathemify. Okay, yeah, that's a made-up word. But really, all I want it to mean is we just do all of the actual math, and it's pretty simple math. It's just a case of 8 times 5, which we all know is 40, and now we're going to break up the 40 into tens and units. So 40 has 4 tens and 0 units. So you put your tens in the top corner, and the bottom corner is your unit. 2 times 5 is 10, so that's 1 10, 0 units. 9 times 5, 45. 4 tens, 5 units. Okay, you're getting the gist of this, aren't you? But we're on this bottom part, so it's the same as before. 8 times 3, which is 24. 2 tens, 4 units. And you just keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, until you fill out all of your boxes. Right, now I've managed to fill all of this out through the use of computer magic, and I'm ready for step 4, which is to count my diagonals. So I'm going to follow these lines going all the way down until I finished adding them all up. So here I've got 9 by itself, so I'm just going to put a 9 right there. Nice and easy, yeah? 7 plus 0 plus 2, well, that's the same as 7 plus 2, so that's 9 again. So I've got another 9 that I write down on the bottom here. Now it's a little bit more difficult, because I've got 5, 2, 6, 0, and 8 to add up, and they add up to 21. But I can only put one number down here, and it's got to be a unit. So I'm going to split up my 20 and my 1, my 2 and my 1. I'm going to put my 10 up here for 2. And I put it here just so I don't forget, and then I'm going to put my 1 down at the bottom for my unit. Now I've got 2 plus 4, which is 6, plus another 4. Oh, that's 10. So split it up again. I've got 0 units and 1 10. 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2, that's 4. And then I've got a 4 here. That gives me an answer of 440199. So 829 times 531 is 440,199. I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.